Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that many people around the world want to improve but often feel unsure about. That thing is the ability to speak and understand English with confidence. For millions of people, learning English opens the door to new opportunities, new friendships, better careers, and a deeper connection with the world. Yet many learners struggle because they believe that learning English requires expensive courses, difficult textbooks, or years of classroom study. They feel that without a teacher sitting beside them, it is impossible to improve. But the truth is slowly changing. Today, technology has created new ways for people to learn and practice English every single day. And one of the most powerful tools available today is ChatGPT. Many learners make the mistake of thinking that English improves only during formal study sessions. They imagine that learning happens only when they sit at a desk, open a textbook, and memorize grammar rules. Because of this belief, they practice English only occasionally. Maybe they study once a week or watch a video now and then. But language learning does not work that way. English grows stronger when it becomes part of your daily life. The more often you use the language, the more natural it becomes. Words begin to feel familiar. Sentences start forming in your mind more easily. Conversations stop feeling stressful. That is why daily practice is one of the most important secrets to improving English. Even small daily efforts can create powerful long-term progress. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely helpful for learners. Instead of waiting for a classroom or a teacher, you can now practice English whenever you want. ChatGPT can act like a conversation partner, a writing assistant, a vocabulary guide, and even a storytelling companion. The beauty of this tool is that it is always available. You can ask questions, practice writing, read explanations, or create conversations at any time of the day. This removes one of the biggest barriers many learners face, which is the lack of someone to practice with. When learners do not have partners to speak with, their confidence slowly fades. But with tools like ChatGPT, practice can happen anytime and anywhere. One of the most effective ways to use ChatGPT is to practice writing every day. Writing helps your brain organize thoughts in English. When you write regularly, you train your mind to think in the language rather than translating from your native language. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes when they write, but mistakes are actually part of the learning process. When you write a paragraph and ask ChatGPT to correct it, you immediately see how your sentences can improve. Over time, your grammar becomes stronger, your vocabulary expands, and your ability to express ideas becomes clearer. Writing also forces you to slow down and think about how sentences are formed, which builds a stronger understanding of the language. Another powerful way to practice English with ChatGPT is through conversation practice. Many people understand English when they read or listen, but they feel nervous when they try to speak. This happens because speaking requires quick thinking and confidence. ChatGPT can simulate conversations about everyday topics such as travel, work, hobbies, education, or daily life. When you practice responding to these conversations, your brain becomes more comfortable using English in real situations. Even though you are typing instead of speaking aloud, your mind is still practicing how to organize ideas and respond naturally. This type of regular interaction can significantly reduce the fear that many learners feel when communicating in English. Reading practice is another area where ChatGPT can help learners grow. Reading improves vocabulary, sentence structure, and comprehension skills. When you ask ChatGPT to write stories, explanations, or articles in simple English, you create learning material that matches your level. Instead of struggling with difficult books, you can read content that is understandable yet still challenging enough to help you grow. Over time, you can gradually increase the difficulty. This step-by-step improvement allows your brain to absorb the language naturally, similar to the way children learn their first language through exposure and repetition. Vocabulary building is also easier when you practice with tools like ChatGPT. Many learners try to memorize long lists of words, but memorization alone is rarely effective. Words become meaningful when they are used in context. ChatGPT can show how vocabulary works inside real sentences, stories, and conversations. When you see words used repeatedly in different situations, they become easier to remember. You begin to understand not only the meaning of a word but also how it fits into everyday communication. This contextual learning is far more powerful than simple memorization because it trains your brain to recognize patterns in the language. Another important advantage of practicing English with ChatGPT is the ability to ask questions freely. In many classrooms, students sometimes feel shy or embarrassed to ask questions. They worry that their question may sound simple or that others might judge them. But when you are practicing on your own, you can ask anything you want. If you do not understand a grammar rule, you can ask for an explanation. If a word confuses you, you can ask for examples. If a sentence sounds unnatural, you can ask how to improve it. This freedom to explore questions without fear creates a much more comfortable learning environment. Consistency is the key that turns small efforts into big results. Practicing English for 10 or 15 minutes every day may seem like a small action, but those minutes slowly build powerful habits. Language learning works best when it becomes part of your daily routine. Just like exercising the body keeps muscles strong, practicing English keeps your language skills active. When learners practice regularly, they stop forgetting words as quickly, and their confidence begins to grow naturally. Over time, these small daily practices create noticeable improvement in both understanding and communication. It is also important to remember that learning a language is not only about grammar and vocabulary. It is also about expressing ideas, emotions, and perspectives. ChatGPT allows learners to discuss topics that matter to them personally. You can write about your experiences, describe your goals, or share your opinions about different subjects. This type of meaningful practice makes learning more engaging because the language becomes connected to your real life. When learning feels relevant and personal, motivation increases and progress becomes more enjoyable. Many learners worry that they are starting too late or that their English will never improve. These thoughts can become obstacles that slow down progress. But language learning does not depend on age or background. What truly matters is consistency, patience, and curiosity. Every time you practice reading, writing, or communicating in English, your brain is building stronger language connections. Progress may feel slow in the beginning, but with time, improvement becomes visible. Sentences become easier to form, understanding becomes faster, and confidence grows stronger. Another helpful strategy is to combine ChatGPT practice with other forms of English exposure. Watching English videos, listening to podcasts, or reading simple articles can reinforce what you learn during practice sessions. When your brain encounters English in multiple situations, it becomes more comfortable with the language. ChatGPT can even help explain difficult parts of what you read or hear. For example, if a sentence from a video feels confusing, you can ask for a simpler explanation. This creates a continuous cycle of learning where every new piece of information strengthens your understanding. Patience is an important part of this journey. Many learners expect fast results, but language learning is a gradual process. Just as a tree grows slowly from a seed, language skills develop step by step through regular practice. There will be days when learning feels easy and days when it feels challenging. That is completely normal. The key is to keep moving forward without becoming discouraged. Every small effort contributes to your long-term growth, even if the progress is not immediately visible. As you continue practicing English every day with tools like ChatGPT, you may begin to notice something interesting. English stops feeling like a subject you are studying and starts feeling like a tool you are using. Instead of worrying about every grammar rule, you begin focusing on communication and understanding. Conversations become smoother. Reading becomes more enjoyable. Writing becomes clearer. These small improvements gradually build a sense of confidence that transforms the entire learning experience. In the end, learning English is not about perfection. It is about progress. Every learner makes mistakes, and every learner improves at their own pace. What matters most is the willingness to practice, explore, and keep learning. ChatGPT is simply a tool, but when used consistently, it can become a powerful partner in your learning journey. By practicing writing, reading, and conversation every day, you create an environment where English becomes a natural part of your life. Your English journey is happening right now, one sentence at a time. Each paragraph you read, each question you ask, and each response you write is building a stronger connection with the language. If you stay curious, practice regularly, and remain patient with yourself, your confidence will grow steadily. Over time, the language that once felt difficult will start to feel familiar. And that moment, when you realize that English is no longer a barrier but a bridge to new opportunities, is one of the most rewarding experiences in the learning journey. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.